This video will show you how to replace the transfer case shift motor on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be located mounted to the rear of your transfer case, accessed from under the center of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the center of the vehicle. We're looking for our transfer case. Along the back side of the transfer case is where we can see our transfer case shift motor. We have to start by disconnecting our electrical connector. Now this does have a locking tab. We want to squeeze this in. We should be able to wiggle this and lift it up and out of place. Once you have it disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion. This looks good, so I'm going to set it aside. You're going to find that you have 3 T25 Torx screws holding the shift motor in place. We'll fully remove the upper mounting bolt. Just give it a quick inspection, start it back in a couple threads while we continue on to all others. Now we can remove that mounting bolt. We'll take hold of the shift motor, rock it out of position. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, clean and inspect the mounting area. For this, I'm just using a clean rag. I don't want to use any type of detergent. Just give this a quick wipe. Make sure the seal is still soft and pliable, not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. Now it's time to install the brand new transfer case shift motor. When we bring this into position, we need to make sure the center area of the shift motor slides over the shaft on the transfer case. We also need to make sure that each one of our 3 mounting bolt ports align as well. We have this in the proper orientation. I have it so my bolt holes are closely aligned while I line up the center shaft, and we'll start pressing this into position. Once you have that in position, continue on to all 3 of your T25 Torx bolts. Start them in, snug them up. The torque for those will be 13 foot-pounds. Double check to make sure your transfer case shift motor is properly secured to the transfer case. After that, we're continuing on with our electrical connector. For that, we're going to line it up, press it in, we'll listen for an audible click, attempt to remove it, it should not slide out of place. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our transfer case shift motor. The next thing you need to do is make your way out from under the vehicle. You're going to start the vehicle and make sure it shifts into 4-wheel drive and back into 2-wheel drive. After that, just go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.